For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. This Holi we have something very quick and chatpata, that is bread dahi bhalle. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for step 1 are water, milk, salt and bread. Take half cup of milk, in that add half cup of water and half teaspoon salt. Just mix this. No, we are adding salt so it doesn't taste tasteless. Now we will add bread in the milk and water mixture, but just see to it that you cut the sides of the bread. Remove it, make a ball and remove all the excess milk and water mixture. Now the same thing we will do with the remaining breads. This is a very instant 2-minute recipe. I have made 3 bhallas. It is on you how many ever you want to make. And now this is ready. Keep it aside. We will move on to the next step. Ingredients for the final step are bhalles which we just made, curd, coriander, red chili powder, green chutney, sweet chutney, chaat masala, cumin powder, salt, dhana jeera powder. First we'll add the spices on it. Cumin powder, red chili powder, dhana jeera powder, salt, chaat masala. Then we are going to add curd. In the curd I have already added sugar and then whisk it to make it smooth. So this was hung curd. Then goes in the chutneys. You all can check out the recipe for the chutney. It's mentioned in the description below. Sweet chutney. Again I'll sprinkle all the spices. And then some coriander. Our bread dahi bhalle is ready. Enjoy the dish. Our quick bread dahi bhalle is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this dish. Make it during Holi and enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.